It's Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I want you to know, how do I retain my sanity when I have so much to do as an online reseller? Well, I'm going to let you know. Well, the first thing you want to do when retaining your sanity as an online reseller is remember that all work and no play makes for no fun. And so you're going to want to make sure that you plan times for a break, okay? You can't work all the time. That's the bummer about being in business for yourself, is you feel like there's always work to do and always work to be done, and it's never ending. And so make sure you take the time like I am. I'm sitting in my backyard, even though I am working, relaxing on my swing that I have in my backyard. And remember to take those moments to just relax and know, okay, at this moment in time, I'm not going to be working, okay? And don't feel guilty about that, okay? If you're chasing the almighty dollar and you never give yourself a break, you will hate your life and eventually hate reselling. I have had moments like that where it drives me crazy. And even my husband says, do you even want to do this anymore? Do you want to go get a 9-to-5? And when I start to look and weigh all the options, absolutely, I don't want to get a 9-to-5. This is way more fun. It's way more encouraging, and it gives me the option of being able to spend time with my family and plan these relax times. And so plan the relax times. One of the things that I'm going to do is we are going on vacation. We're actually going on a cruise. I'll give you some updates while I'm on the cruise just to show you what kind of fun that we got to have while we were there. But the cruise is actually being paid for totally by my reseller money. We would not be able to take vacation at all if it weren't for the income that I actually bring in by reselling. And so make sure that you have a goal with what you do in the money that you earned. It can't, ultimately it started out being, let's just pay bills. But if you're going to, have a goal and be encouraged, make sure you have some goals monetarily of what you're going to do with your money. And so if you plan on, paying this bill and this bill with your money, set aside some of the other money that you earn to do something fun, whether it be going on a cruise like I am. Well, that's kind of expensive, and we took a while to save up for that. But it could be something as simple as, okay, this month, when we all go out to the movies as a family, it's going to be paid for by the business. So I'm going to earn enough money to be able to pay for the whole family to go out to a movie. Now, we have a family of 5, so it costs $100 to buy the ticket and all the concessions. So even though just going out to a movie doesn't sound like a lot, it gets expensive after a while, especially if you have a large family. And so making sure that you do that. Also, give yourself a schedule every week. It's going to be different every week depending on how much product you have and the things that you have to do, but give yourself a schedule, because in that schedule you want to plan in those downtime moments where you feel like, okay, I don't have to be shipping something right now. I don't have to be listing something right now. I can just decide I'm going to spend time watching a show with a family or going to the park with a family, and I don't feel guilty about it. That's one of the hardest things about being in business for yourself, is feeling like you always have to be working and doing something without any downtime, and then you don't get to enjoy your family or enjoy the hobbies that you like to do. And so make sure that you are living life and then working, not working and then putting life on the back burner, okay? So making sure that you have a steady balance of that is always a beneficial thing. So ultimately, I think the theme of this video is, in order to prevent going insane in the reseller world, make time to relax and live life, okay? Make a plan, and then plan in those dates some downtime and some one-on-one time maybe with your spouse, and some family time, and some social time with friends. And don't feel guilty about that. That's the benefit of working for yourself, is that you can schedule those times in. Just don't neglect your work, because otherwise you won't make any money. But make sure that you are living your life and being encouraged by those around you, and having personal situations, conversations and things like that that work for you. So I hope this has been helpful on how to not go insane as an online reseller, and that you'll take time to live life, then work, not the other way around. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.